Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Mercedes. And by popular demand, we will be making smothered turkey wings. So if you want to go ahead and achieve this right here, then stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, it's almost Thanksgiving, so if you want to test these out, this is the perfect time to try out some turkey wings. Stay tuned. So this recipe does require you to have a crock pot or a slow cooker, and today I'm cooking my turkey wings for 6 hours on low, or if you don't have that much time, you can do 3 hours on high. So you want to go ahead and clean your turkey wings. I had about 6 or 7. Here are a few seasonings. I'm using the Lawrys all-purpose chicken seasoning, Creole seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and also the adobo with peppers. You want to go ahead and grab some cornstarch and some flour and some butter and some oil. So I mix my cornstarch and my flour together in a freezer bag, and I put my seasonings in there. You want to do about 2 tablespoons of each seasoning except for the salt. You want to do about a teaspoon or 2 of salt. But all the other seasonings, you could do 2 tablespoons. You want to mix that all together. You can use a bowl or you can use a bag. And then you want to go ahead and get your pan hot, get some butter going in there and some oil in there. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil. That's what works best. And you want to go ahead and brown your turkey wings on each side. So this is just to get them to get a little bit of color on each side. You're not actually cooking them through thoroughly. This is just to get some color on them and to make them nice and delicious. So that's all you have to do right here. Just get your temperature on medium-high heat, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. But this is how they will look. As you can see, they do not look done at all. They just look brown. I'm using a cast iron pan. At the beginning of the video, I did say I was using a freezer baggie. I'm actually not, I forgot. I actually used the bowl. So yeah, it's up to you, however you want to do it. You can put it in a bag and put the cornstarch and the flour and the seasonings in the bag and shake it up to coat it, or you can put it in a bowl. You can use about a cup of flour and about a cup of cornstarch to even it out. You just want to go ahead and repeat this process with all your turkey wings. I will cook them on both sides for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your stove, your size of your turkey wings. Like, it all depends. That's why I don't give like direct amounts of times and things like that. It's like you have to look at it yourself and determine whether it's good enough for you. So right here, I'm done with the flour cornstarch seasoning mixture, and I'm pouring in a little bit of water. And right here is something that's called a slurry. This will be the start of the gravy that is going to happen. If you don't have any flour cornstarch seasoning mix left, you could definitely go ahead and get a bowl and sprinkle a little bit in there. And you can add the seasonings in there and add a little bit of water, and you just want it to look like a liquidy texture. Fall is officially here, so this is the perfect time to practice and get ready for Thanksgiving, because you don't want to disappoint the family. So be sure to share this video with your friends and family, and be sure to like and comment and subscribe. I'll be sure to put all the ingredients in the description and throughout the video. You want to grab your celery, your peppers, your onions, and you want to get ready to dice that up. So right now I have my crock pot on low, and you can put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of, or pan cooking spray if you want. Then you want to go ahead and lay the browned turkey wings in the crock pot. The seasoning will make it look a little bit darker than what it actually is, but it's not burnt. Okay, that's the seasonings. You want to season them really good. And then even after you coat them, if you want to add a little bit more season, like a little bit more garlic powder on top of the turkey wings, you can, or something that just doesn't have a lot of salt in it, like the all-purpose chicken seasoning. You can sprinkle a little bit of that on top after you coat it and then put it in the pan. I forgot to mention that, so you can do that. You want to chop your peppers, onions, and celery up to the best of your ability. I did use 1 onion, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, and a few stalks of celery. If you want more, you can add more. It's completely up to you. But y'all, it smells like Thanksgiving at this point. We're just missing the dressing on the stuffing. Like, that's all we're missing. So you want to go ahead and saute this. After I browned the turkey wings, I put the peppers and the onions and everything in the same pan. You might have to add a little bit more oil if it's none in there, or a little bit more butter, but you want to go ahead and just saute that out, and all the flavors are going to like combine together, and it's just going to smell really good. As you can see right here, everything's combining together. Then you want to go ahead and pull out your favorite thing, the Worcestershire sauce, or that W sauce, or what's that over there sauce. So somebody couldn't pronounce it one time, and they called it the what's that over there sauce, and it just stuck with me. So it was really, really, really funny. So I just call it, it's that what's that over there sauce, because can nobody say Worcestershire, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so remember that slurry we was working on with the cornstarch, flour, water, and all the seasonings from the flour and all that stuff? You want to add some chicken broth. You have to get a container of chicken broth and add about half of a carton to that. You can add a few more seasonings if you need to, but this makes it even better. I had to add a little bit more flour to mine. And you don't want it to be like thick. You want it to be a liquidy, that's a tongue twister, a liquidy texture. And you see the little balls of flour? Don't worry about that. It will dissolve when it goes in the crock pot. And you see I added some more of that adobo seasoning, and I added some Worcestershire, what's that over there sauce, a few little, I would say about a teaspoon or 2. And then you just want to mix that all up for your slurry. So after you saute your peppers, onions, and celery, right? Because the turkey wings are already in a crock pot. Mine are on low for 6 hours, remember. You want to put that on top. And it smells good already. And people are going to be coming in the kitchen saying, oh, what you cooking? It smells so good in here. It smells so good in here. I'm telling you, it's nowhere near done. Okay, then you want to pour that slurry on top. You see the lumps of flour and all that? Don't worry about that. It's completely fine. It's gonna like absorb in the pan, and it won't be no lumps. I promise you. I pinky swear. So I just took a fork and I tried to push down the turkey wings so it doesn't stick up too much, because I want it to all like soak in. Not that you will have that problem, because these turkey wings are gonna be so tender. You won't have to worry about no, let me get my wording together. Let me be nice. You won't have to worry about no tough, nasty turkey wings, okay? It's not the worst thing when you eat some turkey wings. Somebody has turkey wings and they're like really tough. So anywho, I'm setting my timer low for 6 hours. If you don't have that much time, I switched it to high because I was about to show you, but then I cut it out. But anyway, if you don't have that much time, you could do high for 3 hours. So I'm checking on it. It's bubbling. It's looking good. It's not done yet, but it smells amazing. And you're gonna have to take some chairs or something and block your kitchen. I'm telling you, everybody's gonna come running in the kitchen and you're gonna have to kick them out. Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? No, it's not ready yet. Okay, I checked on it again. And at this time, it's been about 6 hours. I made this video for you all. I know this is a struggle. It's not that hard. Get you a crock pot. Get you a timed crock pot That's the thing. They have a lot of crock pots out there, but they don't have timers. Guess what? If you want to run out to the store while your food is cooking, you can, because guess what? And I'm not even sponsored or partnered. This crock pot right here, it cuts off to warm when the time is up. There we go. Now look at that. Turkey wings falling off the bone, baby. The best turkey wings you will ever have. Lay it over some jasmine rice. Y'all know I love my jasmine rice. Or some mashed potatoes. And you just want to plate it all pretty. And it looks so good. I'm telling you, your family is going to start hunting you down to make these turkey wings. And then come back and thank me later. Leave a comment. Let me know how it goes. And listen, like I said, this is practice before Thanksgiving. If you don't want to cook a whole turkey, make a crock pot full of turkey wings. Promise you. If you don't want them falling off the bone this crazy, then do 30 minutes less or 45 minutes less than what I suggest. But if you want them falling off the bone, baby, then listen, this is what you need to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm on Instagram, Cooking with Mercedes, Facebook, Cooking with Mercedes. Be sure to check me out. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day and happy fall. So I'm a very transparent person. Here's some bloopers. I try to get content for y'all in the rain. Outside had better lighting, so I try to get some better lighting for you guys. But this is what happened.